Hey everyone, welcome back to MSM Zone today. I'm excited to dive into a topic that's taking the social media world by storm, TikTok fame. And if you've ever wondered how to go from zero to hero on TikTok, today's review might just be your answer. I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about the TikTok Earning Hack HD video course, a powerful resource that claims to transform your TikTok experience into a journey of fame and earnings. First, let's talk about why TikTok is the place to be right now. TikTok has become the go-to platform for influencers, businesses, and everyday creators to build a following, make money, and really connect with audiences. But it's not easy to stand out, right? You've got algorithms, trends, and so many moving parts. It's a world that's a bit tough to navigate. That's where the TikTok Earning Hack HD video course comes in. Created by wealth and growth expert Mahmoud Al-Bashir, this course promises to be your roadmap to TikTok success. With 15 HD video lessons, each packed with strategies and insights, this course is designed to help anyone from beginners to experienced creators learn how to optimize their TikTok game. It's all about boosting followers, maximizing engagement, and of course, making money. Now let's take a closer look at what's inside the course. The lessons are divided into several key modules, each focusing on essential elements to building success on TikTok. Here's a quick overview. Genius ways to make money on TikTok. Strategies for earning even with a small follower base. How to get more likes on TikTok. Techniques to increase engagement and visibility. Benefits, rewards provided by TikTok. All the perks of growing your profile. Third, optimization services and apps. Apps and services that help enhance your content. To trendy hashtags. Hashtags to supercharge your reach and connect with trends. Promoting music. If you're a musician or want to promote music, this module is for you. Analyzing and using data. Insights on using analytics to improve your content. Case studies. Real-life examples that bring everything together. These are just a few of the highlights. It's a well-rounded package for anyone serious about growing and monetizing their TikTok. So let me share a little bit about my own TikTok journey. Like many, I started with enthusiasm, but quickly realized that gaining followers and engagement wasn't as straightforward as I'd hoped. I was kind of stuck, and I didn't know the right strategies to increase views, get noticed, and monetize my content. When I came across this course, it looked promising, but I was still skeptical. 15 videos packed with tips, it sounded good, but could it actually help me? The course impressed me with how actionable it is. Here's a couple of standout features that made a big impact on me personally. 1. Practical monetization. Tips. The strategies for making money, even without a massive follower count, were so useful. It breaks down how to leverage affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other income streams available on TikTok too. Data-driven approach. One of my favorite modules was on using TikTok analytics to improve content. TikTok has a lot of data, but it's only helpful if you know how to interpret it. This course taught me to analyze my audience, refine my content, and increase engagement. Algorithm insights. Another crucial part was understanding how TikTok's algorithm works. Learning to use hashtags effectively, post at optimal times, and choose trending music helped me gain visibility. After completing the course, I immediately applied some of these strategies, and let me tell you, the results were amazing. I saw a jump in my follower count and engagement rates, and I actually started to see earnings come in. Brand collaborations, affiliate sales, and even some direct donations. It's been a game changer for me. Of course, every course has its pros and cons. Let's go through them. Pros: easy to follow. Perfect for beginners or experienced users who want a structured approach. Comprehensive content, covers all bases, from growth strategies to monetization. Great for any niche. The principles apply to anyone, whether you're a brand, musician, or content creator. Money-back guarantee. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, which takes away any risk. Cons: advanced features. Take practice. Some of the optimization and analytics might require extra practice to master. Requires dedication. Like anything worthwhile, success doesn't happen overnight. It's up to you to implement what you learn consistently. So, who is this course for? If you're someone who wants to grow a real engaging following on TikTok, is serious about making money online, or even if you're just curious about maximizing your social media potential. Then the TikTok Earning Hack HD video course could be a great investment.